The price of gold saw a notable decline as tensions in the Middle East eased, particularly between Iran and Israel. The US Treasury yield surged to 4.66%, affecting the gold demand due to potential delays in the Fed rate cuts compared to other central banks. Key economic indicators like the US Core PCE price index and the Q1 GDP data could sway Fed rate decisions, impacting gold prices. The stability of the US dollar index plays significant roles in the gold pricing, potentially pressuring prices downwards. For trade opportunities, for short-term correction, look for buying opportunities near the 20-day EMA around $2,315, expecting a temporary dip before a potential rebound. With a long-term bullish trend, consider buying near the $2,268 support level or the 20-day EMA for a long-term bullish trade, targeting the recent high at $2,418. Stay informed and vigilant, and happy trading.